In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Avalanche's future while talking about Avax cost estimate for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like torrential slide. Presently, how about we head into it? Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and essential evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. The following is a plain outline of how might Avax foster in the present moment. October 1, 2022. Plus 1.06%, $18.26. October 2, 2022. Minus 3.68%, $17.40. October 3, 2022. Minus 1.75%, $17.75. October 4, 2022. Plus 2.32%, $18.48. October 5, 2022. Plus 5.41%, $19.04. October 6, 2022. Minus 2.79%, $17.56. October 7, 2022. Plus 1.85%, $18.40. Torrential slide coin value forecast 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the main quarter of 2022. Preceding, we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 8.00%, $16.62. 2022 November minus 28.49%, $12.92. 2022 December minus 27.34%, $13.13. 2023 January minus 26.22%, $13.33. 2023 February minus 17.90%, $14.83. 2023 Blemish minus 13.98%, $15.54. 2023 April minus 13.99%, $15.54. 2023 May minus 0.89%, $17.91. 2023 June minus 5.08%, $17.15. 2023 July minus 0.43%, $17.99. 2023 August plus 12.44%, $20.31. 2023 September plus 14.00%, $20.60. Avax value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees Avax coming to $37.94 in 2025. What will Avax be worth in 5 years? The cost of Avax in 5 years could lie around $31.51. Torrential slide coin value forecast 2030 to 2040. What torrential slide will be worth in 2030? Our determining model sees torrential slide coming to $94.85 in 2030. What torrential slide will be worth in 2040? Our determining model sees torrential slide coming to $189.69 in 2040. Will torrential slide supplant/outperform/surpass Bitcoin? No, torrential slide won't supplant or surpass BTC. Will torrential slide reach $100? Indeed, torrential slide could reach $100 toward the finish of 2022. Could torrential slide reach $1,000? Indeed, conceivable torrential slide can reach $1,000, however, just in a removed future, after 2030. Is torrential slide worth purchasing? We are backers of decently unsafe money management. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a container of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with colossal potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific situation, torrential slide merits purchasing. Is torrential slide a wise speculation? Torrential slide is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a hazardous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will torrential slide be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $10.62. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $94.85 or significantly higher. For what reason will torrential slide succeed and get more expensive? Torrential slide has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees torrential slide ascending to $94.85 in 2030. For what reason will torrential slide fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects fall flat because of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any and all authority and forsakes the undertaking, controllers announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more effective contenders, absence of very much planned advertising procedure, losing local area support, possible weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention, neglecting to draw on new designers to expand on their foundation. How high will torrential slide go? Our Gwajing model sees torrential slide value detonating and coming to $189.69 in a far-off future. What is the momentary expectation for torrential slide? Torrential slide will reach $10.62 in the following 90 days, which is a 41.2% change over the ongoing cost, which drifts around $18.07. Will torrential slide make you a mogul?